Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make Soothing Licorice Serum. This serum consists of licorice extract and cucumber extract for some soothing properties, Olivum 300 and glycerin for some moisturization, and Tamarindus indica, which is a green alternative of hyaluronic acid, for some hydrating properties. Instead of water, I have used Lang Lang hydrosol for some soothing properties and also scent. You can use any other hydrosol or water soluble fragrance which is safe to use for face and skin products. For more substitutions and information, you can check my blog. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Okay, to make this we are taking 0.6 grams of rose glycerite. You can take glycerin or any other glycerite. And 0.2 grams of Tamarindus indica and 0.02 grams of xanthan gum. First we will hydrate this in glycerin and then we'll add in our Lang Lang hydrosol. We'll mix it to hydrate it. Slowly we will add the hydrosol and see if it mixes properly, else we can heat it on a double boiler to mix it properly. We will keep this aside to hydrate for some time and measure out other ingredients. First we will measure licorice extract of 0.3 grams. The next one is cucumber extract of 0.2 grams. Now goes the Olivum 300 of 0.4 grams. Okay, and the last one is preservative Geogard ECT of 0.2 grams. We'll mix this once and add it to our water phase. We will mix it so that it is mixed properly. Now I will refill it in my serum bottle. I'll pour it using a funnel. For a trial, and it dried out in couple of seconds. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.